Man, these days is closing real nasty. Alright. So, King. So, we had another shitty day. I don't like how that one went nowhere. But I do feel like this is now, I'm gonna push down today. This was our indecisive candle. Never broke the high on this day, but we broke the low. Closed with a weak bearish, bullish. So I want to see if this is our wick for the day, and we're just going to keep pushing down. What's up, Edwin? How you doing? Let's check on the 4 hour. Okay, we've made that 24 minutes, 4 hours closing like this. I'm not liking it, but I do think we're gonna come down just slightly. No, we might be pushing up after this, because this was a strong bullish. We came up higher than we did low, so I want to see how this 4 hour closes to set up for this next 4 hour candle. This is a 1 hour order block. Right here, it have not yet come down to test. We also have this one up here that we tapped into. Up here. See, that's a 2 hour order block as well. So it's not that strong. Let's see. Yeah, it's not that strong. This one's a half hour. This top one's a hour, 2 hour. Yeah, even this one down here in the 15's not good. Three-hour order block. I don't have a 3 hour up here. Hello, Michelle. How was your birthday? Daughter. I don't think AJ's here. So let's see what we got here. You want to look at the 3 hour? I'll pull up the 3 hour. Okay, you said there's a 3 hour order block at 17. You're talking about this one right here? Yeah, it's the same one I got on the hour. Just that is the 3 hour would have gave you that better opportunity to take it at this wick here. But it's a weird time frame for me. I don't really like it. I don't know why. I just don't like it. Order blocks are well, I mean, I don't know if they really are. I don't know if they're speculative because when it's clear as day, we've tapped into this one and we left. I haven't tapped into this one yet. We tapped into this one. Tapped into that one and left. I mean, they're there. It's just like when people say my M's and W's are speculative as well. I mean, I use them. I'm not. It's not like I mean, it's what I see. So I guess it would be, but that the order blocks are just that. I mean, you could use them. Everyone can. I mean, it's clear as day. I don't see one thing and someone else sees everything. We all see the same. I mean, but this would be the support here. That would be your resistance, and that would be your support in here. An order block is all the way down here, where prices never came back to test it as a support. I was about to take a sell since previous candle engulfed, but I missed the move. Yeah. Can't believe this. We've been getting a lot of. Yesterday when I was sitting here, I seen this candle play out. It's 100 pip fucking candle before during no volume. I mean, your spreads are probably ridiculous on this candle here. We can't hear anyone's sound. I mean, voice. Yeah, I guess. Saw how one sees the market. It's because no one's really talking. Everyone's just through the chat or silent. In a few minutes, Sasha and Max will be on. Yeah, Forex trader. I mean, I guess that's all trading is, right? How we all see the market. I mean, because it's just how you interpret it, right? Like Michelle likes her channels. I mean, I get the channels, but I just don't. I can't comprehend it. Not comprehend it. I just can't focus on it to utilize it more. Then they got the wedges and all those other million other things there are here. And you got all these fucking indicators and the only thing is I'm not liking is this here. This right here has my whole, and this one here, but I think this might have been my, where it reversed. Because I mean that isn't a W, but it doesn't flow into my M, I guess. Yeah, I don't like it. I don't know if they changed up the pattern here. I don't know if that's something that they normally do. I got 2 EMAs. I mean, those are the only ones that are constantly on my chart. I do play around with the other bullshit that's in here. I don't got nothing on this chart, so my other layout. But there are a few other ones. I mean, I'll play with them. I don't really understand them. I'm trying to play around with them to understand them, but for the most part, I don't get it. Like this one right here, volume. What was it? Is that? No, it's not that one. I have no clue what the fuck that one is. How the fuck do I get rid of it? Alright. Yeah, what was that? It was V. We were just playing with it yesterday. It was like VP something. It was under the volume. Started with a V. I don't know. I'll figure it out. It might be in this one. Hold on. This one right here, right? Yeah, that one is. But I just don't know the name of it anymore. We were playing around with it. This one is to show the imbalances. So it's just shows that we're coming up, and we should be coming into here. Here, then here, possibly up in here. Oh, that's AU. That's how I was wondering why there was so little imbalances. So you got this imbalance down here, this one in here. This one's a strong imbalance. I don't really know much about it, so I've been trying to play around with it. But I'm going back to this one because I am watching AU today, because we have AU news and 9:30. So I want to take a trade in AU in gold, and then go to AU to watch this, get this move for the news. And it's falling off the table already. Broke the daily resist support. Have you ever seen an order block indicator called Order Block Finder by... No, but I'm... let's look it up. Order block... This one? Experiment... Oh, yep, by... Waggle... Whatever. Okay. What's up, AJ?
What's up?
So this is supposed to be a order block here?
Not really. I don't like it.
Me neither. I was just thinking that, but maybe we're on a 5 minute. So I don't even see them. Does it? It doesn't even show on a 5 minute. Oh, it does. Yeah, I don't like these order blocks. That's not an order block.
Nope.
Because that's why it's experimental, right?
I mean, you can see it plays out.
Yeah, but then I would need this indicator to tell me where it's at, and not to be able to find it.
Oh, there's an indicator?
Yeah, this was an indicator. Order block finder.
Fuck that.
I don't know. I might play around with this, but I don't really like it because it's not true to itself.
And any indicators? Just do the opposite.
Oh, so let's see what happens. Did you catch that FOMC earlier?
No, but I got in sales before London, before New York closed,
Oh, okay.
and yeah, it was pretty good.
I was gonna ask Sasha, but I already know she sold from the tippy top of that candle. Or she bought from the tippy top or bottom of this candle, and she sold from. She has a sell up here as well, with her runners running,
Nice.
sitting on like another 1,000 pips. So I'm not liking how this is printing. It's becoming real an annoyance. It's a headache. I don't like it. I don't like it. I'm trying to figure out my pattern, and it's just not appealing to my eyes. So this is the first time in the 3 weeks that I've been following this pattern that I really do not like this setup. It's nasty.
17, 17, 9. Where's that? Okay. So we have to create a low. We're in a channel, aren't we? Again, 1 hour channel. You're ranging too much, Mitch. Please go down and then sort it out.
Yeah, it needs to go down. Oh, I did save it. What channel?
Sasha,
Yes, yes.
why aren't you doing FTMO?
Yeah, that's a good question.
Why haven't you done it yet?
I'm scared.
You're scared?
Yeah.
Are you serious? Your runners right now would have passed your challenge.
For real?
What?
Your
What
runners,
did
you
do?
isn't this a
Just
certain
fucking do
percent,
it.
or is it a certain amount of money?
Scared of their rules, you know. You can't trade this and that, and I don't know. I'm just having cold feet.
So what are the rules besides you can't lose a $10,000 a day?
Yeah, you know what? Even news is not that a problem. If I have to trade the news in case, then I'll have another account, right?
Yeah. So
Yeah, let's do it.
where do you see this? That like that?
Yeah, something like that. Even yeah.
But see,
Mainly
even like
that.
this, I don't like it. I don't like this movement inside
Yeah,
of it.
yeah. And it is mainly because of the news candle last night. I was not expecting gold to just shoot up so aggressively.
From how bored I am, I started How I Met Your Mother again. Yo, did you know Barney is actually like homosexual in real life?
Barney?
Really? Yeah, the
Oh yeah. The actor, yeah.
Yeah,
Patrick
the guy is like a
something. Neil
pimp.
Patrick Harris, yeah.
Oh,
I'm just like, how? Like, you have to be like an amazing actor to like, oh, I don't know.
So when the call came in that she got the national anchor,
But when I saw that, he was like, when I heard, I was like, nah, there's no like, there's no way. Like, there's just no, there's no way. Like, just no. Like, bro code. Like all the pickup lines and all the. I was like, damn. But like he has to be like a really good actor to like pull that off.
I mean, he's won a lot of awards. See, this one right now, this is what that does to me. Every time we say here, right, it entices me to take it. But I know we're going to come down, and so I'm not going to take it because then Sasha will yell at me.
I took sales from 87.90.
Yeah, but I know I want it to go up, so I'm not going to take the sell or the buy just yet.
We got the 1 minute left for Sasha's candle.
Yeah, AJ, we're still kind of respecting that 4-hour huge channel that's been there. Kind of. It just came out of it, but still not as much as that.
Let's see.
What channel? This
I
one?
don't trade those channels stuff that y'all do.
Yeah. Yeah.
That's retail trades. Channels, you know, flag patterns.
Just respect the channels. It's been ages. Look at this.
Yeah, but how
there
do
you
you?
go? There you go. Come on. Go down. Come on. Can I get 183? 1783. Can I get it? 1783. 1783. Can I get it?
Am I missing the move?
1783.
No.
Come on.
It literally has done nothing.
1783. Let's go. Can I get 1783? 1783. Can I get it? Come on. 1781. You got a 15-minute order block. Come on. There you go. 1783. Can I get a 1783.50? 1783.50 coming. No, it's coming back reversing.
Yes. And I think 30-minute order right now, so it will give a reaction a bit sooner.
All I'm seeing, like the smaller time frames, is lower lows and higher lows.
Yeah.
On the lower time frames. 1783, 1783.50, 1783.50. Come on, 1783.70, 1783.75, 1783.50. Come on, 1783.
Damn, look at it crumble.
1783, 1783.50.
Mitch, let it makes it better. Then you're gonna get your.
Yeah, that's what I'm waiting.
So you guys waiting for this to go down to get a buy?
Yeah.
Yes. But I'm already in the sales from 1787.96.
Yeah.
Can I get a 1781, please? Can I get a 1781? Can I, por favor? 1781, please.
Oh,
come
what's
on.
that VP one again? I
Por
forgot the name.
favor.
I don't know. I think this is where we're going.
Ti amo, gold.
$82, I think 82 remain.
You gotta sweeten her up, you know, just a little bit. But sometimes she don't listen.
83.73. It's respecting it on the left. On 15 minutes.
No. 1783. Come on now. Come on, baby. Puta madre. Ah, loca.
If it breaks, man, gotta put some lube. Yeah. Ooh. Very nice.
Lesh, Kera.
Exactly.
Why you do this? Why you do this to me?
Waiting on this candle close.
No, it's coming. It's still gonna come.
It's
So would you say 1881, right? 1781? I think that one was wishful thinking.
That'll be like there's an hold on, let me see it on Trading View. I look at my brokers for the order blocks because like Hold on, let me see. 1 hour.
Oh, 1 hour. My bad.
No, go. I'm looking at it on.
On
my
yours.
phone. Yeah, so we have a 1 hour order block.
That we're
right? And then
tapping
we
into
also
right
have-
here.
Yeah. And then we have a 15-minute order block. Yes, come on now, 1783. Come on. 1783.40. Yeah. 1783.30, 1783.30, 1783.30. Come on.
You got it.
1783.20, 1783.20.
Oh, like that.
Is it gonna?
I told y'all it was coming.
Is it letting anyone coming up?
1783.30, 1783.30. Come on now, come on, go, do your thing.
You've been selling gold.
1783.40. Come on. I'm looking at it on the 15-minute to reach 1781. Right from there. Yeah, from there we'll see what happens.
Would you believe I did not take any position this morning because I was.
I took positions from London close.
Well, those are runners. My position
No,
is
they're not.
here.
Like I took position. I was like, you know what? It's gonna keep going down. So let me enter. And then I had positions at. Let me tell you exactly. I had positions at 1785.06, and then it went up to 1786. And then I was like, okay, fuck this, I'm gonna enter again. And then it went up 1787.90, and I was like, I'm entering again there. So I had 3 positions open as it was going up. 1783, come on, baby.
That's why you're like, I'm coming out of all of that.
Because like I want a bigger pullback. Like this whole week hasn't had a big pullback. Like all these little pullbacks, they're not true pullbacks, right? So I want it to come down to like 50s area. And if it comes down to 50s area, man, that's money. That's like 300 pips.
But this is turtle speed. I don't like it.
What is it?
Sideways, turtle speed. Not going. But it gives more pips, by the way. That's why I like it better.
Yeah.
I mean, we're 7 minutes into this hour candle. So.
Yeah, I'm looking at it on the 1 hour. It might be respecting the 1 hour order block.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
But the thing is, like the 1 hour hasn't really had a break of structure to the upside, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, it didn't really have a break of structure to the upside. So like, for me, in order for me to like look at the order block, right, to continue going up, I needed the up movement that happened with the order block. I want it to break structure, right, to the upside, right. That's how I look at my trades, right. If it didn't break structure to the upside, I'm like, I don't like it as much. Even though it might work out, right? But I just don't like it. I just don't like it as much.
I get what you mean. I didn't know this point.
You see. Like for example, now, like on the on the 17th, right? On the 17th, what was it? The 9 o'clock candle. When price was at 1794 area, right? On the 1 hour, it made an order block, right? And it broke structure to the downside. You guys see that?
Yes.
Right?
Yes, I get it.
Zoom out, Mitch. Can you see it?
This one. So to the 94-ish side.
You see it? Like right here, this 1 hour order block. It broke structure right here, right?
Oh,
so when it came back up, when it came back up, it respected and kept going down, right? Yeah. That's how I want it to do. So like if this candle here, right, this 1 hour came and broke this structure, right, I'll be like, all right, this is going to continue going up, but it didn't do that. Structure hasn't been broken. I don't know if that makes
Was
sense.
was the news and FOMC minutes bad for a dollar? That's why it just shot up so aggressively.
1783.40, 1783.40.
The way it respected and took, it was like emergency break right at that level. I was like, it's going. That's it. Halas.
Tell us. So I think I have COVID, guys.
What?
I'm starting not to be able to taste anything.
Hey, where do you think you would have gotten it from?
I don't know. Work.
Do you know what the taste test for me was? And my daughter was peanut butter. Like, you'll know if you put peanut butter in your mouth whether or not you can taste. Has your wife gotten the shot yet? Why can't I hear anybody? Did I say something wrong?
No, I'm smoking my hookah. But no, she has it. 1783, come on.
It's gonna break the low. Let's see.
1783. 1783.
No, I can't break the low. It's gonna, cause then that'll be the whole candle. We want it to go up. I missed
Like
the
I said,
sales.
Since the hourly 1 hour order block, the push up did not break structure to the upside, it has more of a probability to push down and break that order block, right?
Yeah. I get it.
The perfect example was what I showed you guys on the hourly at 1794 when it broke structure to the downside at when structure was broken at 1784, right? It broke structure all the way down to 1781, and then when it pushed back up to the 1 hour order block, it came back down, right? It gave it because structure was broken to the downside, so the pullback has a higher probability of going back down. But now the 1 hour, when it went pushed up, it didn't break structure to the upside at all. Like it literally just touched the high again, and structure wasn't broken.
That's why I like it when you're on your laptop, AJ. You look into details. I think they're grabbing liquidity for a big move coming up. Which side, I don't know.
Well, if it's going down now, then it's to the top side.
You might get 20 pips with on a pullback up, but I feel like it's gonna come back down today. I feel like today is gonna be today's gonna be a bearish day for gold. That's what I feel like.
Yeah, check out the 2 daily candles, Mitch. You will be looking at the.
Yeah, I was talking to them earlier. I was like, this shit sucks. They're more shitty candles.
Exactly, but lower low, a tiny lower low, and a tiny higher high.
Yeah, but you see the daily, how it's respecting this break of structure here, right?
For now,
You can zoom out to see it even better.
and make your candles long damage.
Right, you see how this structure here. All right, this was structure broken to the downside on the daily, right? But I don't trust this this break because the weekly didn't break structure. I've talked about this before. And the monthly is respecting the monthly order. as well.
At least one 18010 for sure coming up.
But that's your order block is weird on the monthly. Do FXCM instead of Awanda.
Is it? Just because it has a better order block, AJ?
XAU.
And then if I did that, I'm sending it to.
Type it all out. Type it all out.
I gotta put FX.
Type it all USD. Yeah. You just put the second one.
That one's my. Oh, the second one. That one's my.
There you go.
That's my regular
No,
broker one.
that's still weird. Let me see which one mine. Mine's Awanda.
Yeah, that's what this one is now. Wanda.
Yeah.
Alright, so go to the monthly. There you go. Yeah. That monthly block. Yeah.
It's 19th today. How is it going to close?
Let's see. I mean, the weekly. Like, looking at the monthly. Like, imagine this monthly. Imagine this monthly goes like this.
Yeah. That's gonna be crazy.
Yeah.
If it is, if it is going to cross the high of the last month, that is 1830, 32, 34, yeah, 1834, that's gonna be crazy.
Yeah. You can even see it if you put it on the 2-day, but not the daily, the 2-day chart. Right?
Come on, AJ, are you serious? You look at that too.
Of course.
Hold on 1 sec. I gotta mark my positions.
I'm doing buying.
Are you saying you're in buys, Mitch?
Yeah.
Scalping on me. I think I was just looking at 45-minute chart too. I was like, what are you doing?
Alright, so what do you want me to look at? The 2 days, you said?
Yeah. You can see the 2-day closed like a doji indecision type candle. And now is the start of the second 2-day candle.
Wow.
Ew. I like that pattern that it's playing out, but I don't like it for the position I'm in. Oh, this is the 2-day. I'm cool. I'm not gonna be in this trade for 2 days.
Michelle, what did you do on your birthday?
Well, we just got back from having dinner.
She
Cody
traded.
did- Yeah, I did. I actually traded, which I got over 200 pips today. I'm really happy.
Good day. Mashallah.
And then Cody and I were looking at our numbers for the rest of the month to meet our goal. We only need 25 pips a day.
Oh, that's easy.
I know.
Everything else is a bonus.
Are you still in US 30?
Let's go.
No. I wish I'd still have my shorts, but
Close
I'll
enough.
find another high and short it again because I think it's gonna have struggle for a couple of days. It's not going up; it's retracing a little bit in the after hours. I could have bought it at the end of the market, but it's okay. I don't. I need to follow it a lot more. But right now in this trade, I'm halfway to my daily goal already. What's funny is we set a goal, and I usually meet that goal in Asian session. And then Cody's like, "Well, then I don't need to come over, do I?" And I'm like, "Well, no, you still should come over, because right now this is technically Cody's job."
Yeah, I'm quite happy with this one. I am quite happy because if it plays out right, I might not have to close this.
Get too excited. Started getting rejected. Which you did well last night? Yesterday? Oh, New York and all of that. Our days are...
Yeah, I actually did. I closed everything in the green, so that's cool. Ooh, I'm about to close 50% of this one.
Hours later.
News in 9 minutes, yeah. Get ready for that news.
I am so tired that I'm ready. Like, I probably should have just closed and go to bed.
What are you in?
Today, but I didn't. Let's see how busy I am tomorrow at work. Oh, looky there. My clients gave me the day off. I have no clients tomorrow.
Hallelujah.
Yep.
Yeah, I called them for you, and I told them, I was like, yo, my mother-in-law needs a day off, you know? So I paid them off for you.
I work let's see how many hours I work this week.
That's how much I love you.
2.5 hours this week is how much I work.
You shouldn't be working an hour, mother-in-law.
I told one of my clients the other day I was going back to school, and she's like, "You're not going to stop what you're doing now." I was like, "No, I'm not." Oh, my phone died. Ricardo's on here, aren't you, Ricardo?
Max, you here? Max is here.
So I know, look, Sasha, you know how gold starts to consolidate in New York? And that's when you should be going to bed. That's when US 30 cranks on.
Oh, really?
That's when US 30 starts to move is during the whole New York Stock Exchange. And it's not one that like moves and kind of consolidates. Oh no, it moves all day.
That's not bad. So you got it?
So I used to be like, oh, be done by gold 8 in the morning. But now I'm like, oh no, now we can go look at US 30.
Yeah, because it doesn't start moving till 9:30 or 8:30. Little push up.
Is it again making a higher high on H1 or M3? When it doesn't break the high and doesn't want to break the low, if the price is squeezing and I'm waiting which side it's gonna go.
My stops are right here.
Yeah, I just entered 100 lots for you.
Only 100?
Look how it's moving.
Only 100? I mean,
Look how it moved. Look at how it is. Look at that shit. Look how it's fucking 10 pips right there.
Oh God! It's insane.
That was literally like 10 pips, like 1 second. Another 100. Let's go.
I'm with you.
I thought I was about to get stopped though.
Let's go.
What I tell you? The second I say it, it went up.
Mitch, are you in cells?
No.
Okay.
You're welcome, guys. You're welcome.
So we want to get to 1795.
Oh hell, that's not happening. Forget about it.
Let's go.
I told you the second I said it, second I
AJ is
said
still
it, she
in
was like,
that. You close it.
What? I'm so glad that I got spared on my position.
Soon AJ is gonna be like Uncle Ted, you know? He drops a load, 400-500 lots, 10, 4, 5, 10 pips and off.
AJ, what is the largest size you have dropped in one trade?
one trade or multiple positions? It's
Nope,
different.
one trade. Like, boom, there it is.
30 lots.
At one trade, high volume time.
Yeah, New York, NYSE.
Like, you wouldn't dare try to drop 30 right now in a quiet time.
Yeah, I could do it, but I just don't care.
It's safer, Michelle, and it's quieter.
You guys welcome, man. I told you I just entered like 100 lots twice, so.
What's crazy is y'all's little 5-minute candle has gone up. Mine is still lower than the previous two candles.
Well,
there we go. All right, now
let's go. Oh, this AU news. I forgot. Come on, it's not coming out.
I wish we could play like real legit music.
Would you tell
good numbers.
US 30, I have dropped 100 lots in on real live account and 50 lots, 100 lots. It was supposed to be rich.
Really?
Yes, I have. And in a minute, I was taking 2,500, 5,000, and all of that. Nasty. And then later on, I do everything up.
I closed my trade.
You closed?
Yes.
AJ, I'm gonna have to see proof of this 100 lots.
Are you for real? He will prove it. He would have lied.
I'll have to see proof of that. I mean, no doubt, 100 lots, 10 pips is strong.
He's not gonna trade later.
You see, because I closed, like the price is coming down now.
You manipulated it. How many lots do we need to push it up or down, AJ?
What you mean? You need to fucking like 5 billion lots.
Ouch.
Because it takes $1 billion, right, to move at one pip.
Wow.
Man, why is AU falling right now? It had good numbers. It is hard trying to trade two pairs at one time.
Especially when they like go different directions.
Yeah.
Like you want one to go up and one go down. It's very confusing emotionally.
Yeah, I'm still fucking like bambazzled or whatever you want to call it. Like how New Zealand closed the whole country just because of one case.
Yeah.
What?
Yeah. Shut down the country again, lockdown.
The whole country down because of one case of corona.
That is how it is here. It's crazy.
Yeah, but they closed down your little town, not the whole country.
No, the whole country. And Australia does for the whole state of WA the same way. One case. And even if it's a doubt, we're not.
And America has COVID all over. COVID is everywhere, and people just go about their day.
I don't know how you guys do that. Here, they freak out like anything. Oh. Michelle, I shared something on WhatsApp. I think you should read that.
Okay.
It's by Uncle Ted.
Did you do it earlier today? I don't see it.
It's right here. You want me to put it up? I don't know if I can without, hold on, showing the, oh, I could do this.
The thing which made sense in all of this, Mitch, is that for a broker, if there is somebody in sell, there are a few in buys as well. Somebody's going to make profit.
Buongiorno.
Hello, hello.
What's up?
I slept straight away.
After I said go to bed.
No, she didn't.
I can't, hold on.
Yeah.
I done messed it up.
She made more money. She couldn't help it.
Come on.
What's happening now? Nothing.
AJ just dropped 100 lots.
Oh yeah, he did.
Oh, on the chat, on the.
On this price action.
Twice.
Shit.
The second I did it, it moved up.
Yes, I know it did.
Oh, guys, sorry, I forgot I was streaming. I was playing around with this stuff. I've been, good numbers, but smaller. Yeah, but they're still better than, way better than what they projected. That's what the media wants you to think.
I'm surprised the unemployment rate improved in Australia. Doesn't make sense.
We're not expecting that.
Gonna change, yeah. Don't know where they get these numbers from.
I really want to take a buy in, over in London.
And take it all the way up again.
Yeah, but I don't know if I got the balls to do that, to take it and then go to sleep.
I keep offering everybody. I'll manage it for you. You can go to sleep.
For a small fee.
A small fee. Are you in a position, Ricardo?
Oh, no, I'm not. I had my mic off. I was talking.
Oh.
Talking to myself, which is mostly what I do anyway, so.
Do that.
I still didn't see the thing about Uncle Ted.
It's on his Instagram page.
Oh, I thought it was on WhatsApp.
WhatsApp
Well,
trading champ. I shared the screen. No, I just shared the screen. His talks about broker manipulating the prices. So
Who's the last
sometimes
one to talk?
Can they do that?
what?
Oh, I know my broker does. Like, I'm not supposed to have a spread, but I know that I have a built-in spread. I know that they have a range that they can just slide the price up or down.
Yeah, but then they just
Without
pass it as a
informing
fee.
you. Exactly. They don't like to do it without informing you.
Yeah, there's definitely, I pay a fee, but sometimes y'all's price will move and mine won't, or my price will move, and they definitely will hold
I've had
up
it
price.
where price would be moving, and my profits would be the same.
Right.
I've had on IC market as well. Many.
I've had that happen on both brokers.
Because what would happen would be the spreads would move, right?
Yes, AJ, they say I was talking to their helpline initially, like maybe many days ago. So they said that it's not a constant spread that they have, so they can do that.
Well, all spreads fluctuate through, but for once your spread should stay the same when you take that entry. Your spread shouldn't change because
spreads will stay the same. Spreads will move even if you're in trade.
Exactly. Yeah.
Yeah, they'll widen and get smaller.
Yeah.
According to the move, so it's a drastic move. It will automatically increase the spread.
I mean,
Bro, I've seen it like right now, like when price was going up and I was in profit, like price was going up and my profit was staying the same.
Oh, I know what you mean. And with that many lots, it is more obvious. Why not?
I didn't do 100 lots, guys. Come on, man.
Come on, Dave. Michelle was right. I didn't believe you.
I wish. How much is 100 lots with 10 pips?
A lot.
like
10 million?
No.
100,000, I think.
No.
Is it?
no, it'd be more. That would be 10. It would be like $1 million.
Yeah.
What?
Oh, my phone died again.
At 100,000, I'm 99% sure. It wouldn't.
One lot give you what?
Oh,
is one lot?
10,000.
Gives you $100 for 10 pips. So take 100 times 100.
10,000.
Yeah, I looked in the chat. I
10,000,
said
so
it.
100,000.
Jesus said it.
100 times 100 is
Joho
10,000.
said it.
So 100,000.
Guys, your math sucks.
It's 10,000.
Your math sucks. $1 million, yeah, right. Like I never made that when I was trying it.
100 lots just seems like a lot.
Oh, Michelle, it's not because you get so scared, you come out so quick.
Oh my gosh. 100 lots? Mm-mm.
Yeah, definitely. Kevin, we gotta go back to math class, but we don't. We just gotta use our phones, which my teacher always lied to me and said that we wouldn't be able to walk around with have just calculators in our pockets.
If one lot is $10 per pip, right?
Yeah.
So 10 lots, right, would be 100.
Yeah.
We could simply just say this. Hey Google.
Just go on Google real quick.
10 pips at
I'm
100.
stopping embarrassing us. Are we live? They're gonna think what happened to all of us.
Pip
No.
calculator.
No.
Pips, 10 pips.
100.
I'm embarrassed by our
10.
group right now.
It's called resources.
It's called simple math.
Exactly, Michelle.
Just add 2 zeros to 100.
What?
It's 100K. I was right.
The $10.
Yeah. I don't know what the. Yeah, that's a $10.
I was right.
I did something
It's
wrong.
100. It's a
100 lots is times.
Like I said, literally, it's 100.
Which you have 0.01 pip type of thing there.
Yes, it's not. It's
Oh.
It's not. There's no way it's a 10K.
not. It is. It is.
You can expect.
No.
You can
No.
and CMO counts.
If 10
Nope.
lots is $1,000, then 100 lots is 10,000.
Yeah, that
Michelle, they
makes
will
sense.
come down to it. It will come down to it.
Oh, no.
Just drop it and find
No,
out.
sorry.
Just drop it and find out.
Yes, there you go. Let's just experiment with that.
Now you pass my FTMO, AJ. I'll
You
get
know what?
one.
Let me see this.
I'm gonna read comments on YouTube.
100. Nah, bro. So like, so I did a 50-50 lot, right? And I'm down 2 pips, and I'm down 1,000.
So that's $500 a pip.
Yeah.
So that'll be $1,000 a pip at, which would be 10,000.
Yeah, see, people are calculating in the lounge for us.
No. See, we're not at that level, you know.
You can clearly tell we never did it.
we're not at that level yet, right?
Sasha, someone's asking what your win rate is this month.
Oh, this month it's just amazing. I never checked it out this year. I've doubled my account last month, and this month it's already sorted.
Oh, so you're quadrupling it this month? You're doubling your double?
Not almost, but almost there already. And that's the magic of my runner thing.
Your runners are how much in profit now?
I just removed that info.
Let's go! 1783 hit. I want 1781, and then I'll look for some buys.
Nah, I want to take a slight buy. I think I want to buy in the next 2 candles. On this next candle print.
My runner is giving me 1,700 here, and it was giving me 1,900 at the top, 1,795. And then I secured the other one, which was 100 pip entry because we were jumping. And there was another runner, 0.30. That's giving me 800, you think? Yeah. Those are on the side. But AJ, I'm not sure. You're gonna go down here at the top first.
Online, I can't see them. I'm back up. Dun, dun, da, 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 da.
Okay, for the last 3 months, my success rate is 83.69. That's not bad.
That's not bad at all.
And for the last month, it was, I think, 90 something. Because it was ranging. And no matter where I enter, I was not bad. And I was catching the peaks of flip side.
Damn, this is crazy. Like I'm doing doing like 100 lots on like this demo account, and like I would honestly be freaking out with like seeing this type of money fluctuating.
You have done 50 lots.
No, the max I've done was 30. But
Are you talking about that
positions
day? Well, you did that on your one joint. We sat here and did 150, 150.
2 positions of 30. I did that. But like doing like a one position, it's like fuck. Fluctuates like 5K, 3K, 7K.
Oh, give me that.
There's levels to this shit.
Give me that. One more time. One more. I'm in.
You in cells? Cells should work out, honestly.
Yeah, they're working on it. AJ, if you total the commission that you've paid overall all your history, that must be in thousands, isn't it?
Oh my god.
Joho wants to know what is the lot size when you lost 80K.
I get back more than what they get.
Now, what do you mean?
Because I have a deal with them where I get cash back on the commission.
Oh, that one. Okay. Because
for example, our one lot is a $5 commission, right? So they give me back $3, and they take $2.
That's crazy.
Yep.
I want to sign up with your broker.
You can sign up, but they won't give you the same deal.
AJ, you're there for that, you know.
They will not give you that deal, like to say, and they will deny that anybody has the deal that I have.
Oh, that part.
Yeah. They literally did it just because like I've threatened them many times. You guys know me. I'm an asshole.
You tried to tell my daughter you were a nice guy.
I'm an asshole to certain people.
Oh God, you should not be out loud about it.
No, but like that, you should be like happy with that because I'll defend your daughter's honor.
10 lots, no joke, lost 30K in 2 days. Damn, bro. Been there. When you lose money like that, that shit hurts. Don't stop. Just like, definitely bring in your lot size.
In the last 2 days, all it did was range. If you were trading gold, how could you lose that much? Were you leveraging, looking over margin?
Let's go. I'm in profit with my 200 lot. I entered 200 lots on the demo, guys. It should help you guys out.
Yeah, right.
Here's the question. How much money does it take to open up 100 lots?
Depends how much you're risking. I opened 100 lots, I think on 25,000 as well. But it was bull margin.
but you had to have a leverage of over 500, right? You had a 500 leverage.
Yeah, that time. Now
with a one to one, there's no way.
No way. I'm doing 1 to 30 right now too. I mean, not 2.
Sasha, you're telling me you
Yeah.
opened up 100 lot trade.
Yeah,
On
but
the
it's
US 30.
100 was your
do it.
but US 30 with IC Markets is a micro account. They have a micro contract.
No, I was doing IG
So 100
market.
lots is technically like 10 lots.
I was doing IG market at that time.
Yeah, IC Markets. Yeah, IC Markets.
No,
they have
in Australia.
their US 30 is a micro. They have a micro contract. So for 10 lots would be 1 lot, and 100 lots
Yeah,
would
they,
be
they
10
had
10 lots.
yeah, they had
Technically,
four type of micro mini type of thing, and for IC market there is only one standard lot. We cannot do micro and mini. But I was with G for
because they do it with MT4. They do it micro.
No, I was not doing MT4. They do micro on IC in Australia. No, they don't. Unfortunately, that's why I'm not trading at US 30.
I mean, I was with IC Markets for a little bit, and when I was trading US 30 at the time, it was micro, like 100%. Like I remember it.
That must be IC Global, and
No,
when
IC Market.
IC Market has 2 and 3 subsidiaries. So IC Australia is different than IC Global, and I think they had the third one as well. They have 3 of their divisions. And
I don't know, but it was definitely micro for me.
Yeah, and when I started trading, it was G for Gamma. So IG Market in Australia. That's a UK based place, and it was not. I was not using MT4. I was just using their CFDs on their platform.
IC Markets is honestly one of the best brokers ever.
Yes,
honestly.
it is.
Like their customer service, all that stuff is like fucking amazing.
Yeah. You don't want to see my history, but if I show you, you're gonna be. I'm trying to figure it out, but.
So, this is not a sell, but because I want to see this W formation play out here. Let's go back to when the candle was clean. This one on 5 minute makes no sense, but looking at it on the hour, that shit made a lot more sense.
Oh snap! Oh snap!
Crumbled.
I'm in the right direction. That's okay. It's going to 17.9 and 17.18. Yeah, 17.18. You could count it, please.
50%.
Make sure you're not advised, right?
Yeah, I am. But I'm taking small lots until I'm sure with this. I'm not going full because this has been leading me astray. At first it was real clean, and now I don't know about it.
1781.
It's coming down to 18. A little more than that percent. Is there an order block there? Forget an order block on N15.
Yeah, the one out, the 15 minute.
I'm trying.
Hourly's gonna close now.
20 seconds.
When did you say 17.99? Oh, you did say.
I enter small buys.
Yeah, because this can be rejecting.
I'm still holding small buys. Honestly, thought I was gonna
4
leave a
steps.
wick in
4
this.
steps up.
Thought I was gonna leave a wick in this order block.
4 pips.
Is there a broker like IG Market when you're trading a huge amount and the amount you stay in the open positions on their platform, they pay you overall? So there was even a time that I was trading aggressively the first 2 months when I was losing a lot, but I was trading and holding positions as well, and they paid me at the end of the month 2,000, 3,000. I don't know what was that point. It was a payment that I used to receive for staying in the market and investing with them.
Yeah. Yeah, this thing looks like it wants to go, like, keep going down, but let's see.
No commission on IC markets.
Yeah, when you're doing US 30, there's no commission. CFDs have no commission. Gold has.
Made this one.
Looks like a W.
It always looks like a W.
Don't tell anyone.
The hell you jumping for, dog? You scared the shit out of me.
AJ, do you know what ASMR is?
Nope.
Does anybody know?
Asmar?
Yes, kind of. I guess none of y'all watch TikTok.
No.
Oh my gosh, TikTok is so funny. Well, it's on YouTube too. It's all the people. They make a lot of noise. They like tap on the microphone and they whisper, and they say things, and it's supposed to be really funny.
Oh no. That's crazy. I've watched it on YouTube once or twice. I was like, what's going on with that?
Yes.
It was crazy. It didn't make any sense to me. And they do that on the stage as well. I don't know.
People watch it for hours.
Are you serious?
Yes.
It's good. Do some trading.
I'm not gonna lie, I watch it sometimes because I'm kind of confused. So I'm just like, I don't get it. I just don't get it.
Michelle.
And then they're like,
Maybe that's what everyone else is watching it for, because they just don't get it.
oh my gosh. There's this one lady, and she does like she goes really fast, so she gives me anxiety when I watch her. But she makes all these. She'll go, and she makes all these weird noises, and then she like clicks her fingernails together, and then like if you
All
watch
I
her
know
like,
is that guy that does the hand thing.
They watch that one lady eat food. Like, there's some weird ass shit out here. she just eats. Like, what the hell?
and then you listen to her eat.
Yeah, like, you watch her eat,
Oh,
and she's like just eating, and people watch it.
yeah. There's definitely some weird shit. You know what TikTok? I'm not kidding. I just love TikTok. There's so many people on TikTok now that are like, all of a sudden there's all these mediums and fortune tellers, and they have like pendulums that swing. This one lady, she, oh my gosh, she sits in a room, and I've watched her because she's like, I will help you connect, but you have to pay me $100. And so and it's $100 donation. I won't do a reading for anything less than $100 donation. And she mostly connects with your dog that has passed. So she's like, oh, he's wagging his tail. He's so happy. He misses you so much. And I'm just like, oh my gosh. She's like, did you have a ball? Like, you used to throw ball with him and he would get it? And they're like, yeah, he's showing me that right now. And I'm like, oh my gosh.
That's insane.
Look, I believe in mediums. I'm not going to say I don't. But the lady that is connecting with the yes and the, oh, and you have to ask her yes and no questions. Like, was he in pain? And she'll be like, was he in pain? No, he wasn't in pain. He's telling me he wasn't in pain.
Dog got ran over by the car and shit.
Everything is yes and no. She's not like your dog is like, oh, I see your dog. He was a basset hound. Like, she can't tell you what kind of dog you had or anything like that. She just answers generic yes and no questions.
I'm gonna drop my PayPal off, guys, and you just ask me yes or no questions,
gosh,
and
Mitch.
I'll be able to tell you if your dog died in
Mitch.
pain or not.
It's so, and then she'll say, you know, like, oh, like if you have a loved one that's passed, you know, I have to know why they've passed, because if it was from something really traumatic, then I feel everything that they experienced when they passed. And she's the first medium I've ever heard say that. Like, I've never heard anybody say I can't
do work. The other ones do the work themselves and you know, ask you those questions without asking you, but she's just like, hey, down to the point.
Yes.
She should trade Forex.
Oh my gosh. It's crazy. Like, I sit and I watch this and I'm like, what a scam. Because she's like, I can connect, but it's, if you want me to connect with your dog, it's a minimum of $100 donation.
Yeah.
I won't even do it for less than $100 donation. Home Chick is making thousands of dollars a night just telling people how their pet is doing on the other side.
Yo, guys,
I'll do that right now.
I'm done. I'm about to start
Literally, I'll do that
YouTube,
shit
guys.
right
I'm gonna start a new
I'll do my
YouTube.
recon before, you know, because they have to give you their name or whatever, right, beforehand. So I'll do my recon before. Just Google search. Right?
Facebook search.
Like, your dog's name is this, right?
No, she doesn't even say that. She doesn't say that. She goes,
I'll tell
I
you
see
the
a pile
name.
of dirt.
I'll tell you your dog's name before like you get on the call.
Yeah, see, I like where you're going. See, that's, you got to do your due diligence. Right?
Oh, she doesn't do that. She just says, I see a pile of dirt. Did your dog like to dig?
Like, are you fucking serious? Like, are you fucking
I'm not
serious?
kidding you.
I'm gonna tell you guys like a really funny story. All right. So when I was in the U.S., I had 2 dogs. I had 2 huskies, right? Siberian huskies, and they were in the backyard, right? And they, you know, huskies love to fucking dig. Like, they love to dig, right? So like every time they would dig, like we would literally put like barriers under the fence so that they won't be able to like dig under it, right? And it got to like one day they were able to like dig under like the fence, like the thing that we put underground was at least like, I would say like 2 meters long, like underground, right? They literally dug under that shit and like left, like they literally like dipset it, right? And they were lost. Like we lost them for like, I would say like a week. Right? We put flyers out, all this stuff, you know, like newspaper ads, rewards, all that stuff. And they had a chip, like to track them, and for some reason the chip wasn't working. But anyways, like after a week, somebody calls us from like an animal shelter, and they're like, "We have your huskies, this and this and that. Come and get them." All right, so we go to the animal shelter, and they're like, "Oh, we can't release your dog." I was like, "Why the fuck not?" They're like, they're kind of like under arrest. Like they need to be like signed off by the police officer that brought them in. I was like, okay, where's the police officer? He was like, oh, he's on vacation for like 2 days. I was like, so I can't take my dog out. Like I can't take him out. I was like, what happened? Like, why can't I take them out? They're like, oh, apparently they attacked like a little farm like next to our house that had like chickens and whatnot, and they killed some chickens. Like they killed them, and the people that like own the chickens, like they're pressing charges, saying that I ordered them to attack the chickens. Right. So after 2 days, the officer comes, and like obviously like since it's like it's not like I had to pay for every single day that they were there.
Oh.
Yeah, literally, I had to pay like the shelter for every single day that they were there. All right, so the cop comes and he was like, "Oh, like you're gonna have like a lawsuit type of thing, like an official like lawsuit." I was like, "Why? Like, what the fuck is going on?" He was like, "Yeah, like the owners of the chickens or whatever, they're claiming that you ordered your dogs to attack their shed or whatever." I was like, no, like that didn't fucking happen. Like they were lost for a week, and there's like proof that they were lost. I have flyers, all this stuff out. He's like, well, you got to prove your case in court, right? So we take the dogs out, and like a month later, like we have our court date. I go to court, and I'm wearing like sweatpants and like a hoodie, like I'm just chilling, right? And the owners of the chickens, they come in with like full on suits. They got a lawyer, like they're going all out. Right.
My
and I get there, and the thing is, like, when I get there, you see the cases that come before you, like, oh, you're sentenced to like 3 years in jail. You're sentenced to like, I'm like, well, like this is some serious ass shit. Like I'm used to like, oh, like pay a fine or go to community service or whatever. Like that's what I'm used to seeing in court. Anyways, I get to the the counter or whatever. Like defendant and the plaintiff are like we're each on one side. The judge was like, do you have anything to say? And I was like, honestly, I have no idea what the fuck's going on. Like I don't know anything that's happening. Like they're like, oh, so the owners of the chickens, they're claiming that you actually physically ordered your dogs to attack, right? And I was like, no, that didn't happen, this and that. And I showed her proof of like me trying to find them during the time that they were lost or whatever. And so it pretty much proved that I didn't order anything. Like I didn't order my dogs to attack anybody, right? So the judge comes out and he was like, well, you're obviously innocent, but there's like, we have to do something about the chickens. And he takes out his law book, like, because he didn't know what to do. He takes out his law. He was like, well, you have to pay the owners of the chickens like for the chickens. Like you have to pay the value amount of the chicken. And then I was like, how much is it? She was like, $8 a chicken, and they killed 2. So I was like, you know what? Here's $20. I go to the guy and I was like, here's $20. I'm sorry. And I just said it. And they were so pissed off, bro. Like they were so mad. It was the funniest thing ever. Like they went all out. They went all out trying to like get some money out of me, right? Like an actual lawsuit.
This
Did
is
you tell
crazy.
them to keep the change?
Yeah, I think so.
It was the funniest thing I've ever seen in my life.
Okay, I got the screenshot from my emails confirming that the amount. 80 lots on $1, 100 lots on $1, and making how much? Now when I'm looking back at it, 800, 400, 152, 92, 610, 1,210. And I was like, oh my God, what was I doing? That's why I blew my account. You should share it on what's that called?
I'm surprised you didn't bring your dogs in to testify.
Oh God, Michelle, seriously? With that lady who could talk to them.
I would have brought them in,
thing. Like,
and I would have done
actually, like they paid a lawyer.
Brought that lady in to
Like,
feel if the chickens were in pain. Where the
To
chickens?
get $20. Like they lost money.
I would have brought my dogs in, and I would have proven like when I say attack, that they just would sit there and look at me.
It was like literally the funniest thing I've ever seen in my life.
How old were you at that time, AJ?
I was like in my late 20s.
What did your parents think of that?
Nothing. Like they didn't think it was that serious. I didn't know it was that serious until I got to court. Like it was criminal court. Like it was like
That was crazy.
like people were sentenced to jail like right in front of me. And I was sitting there wearing sweatpants and a hoodie.
Oh, it's starting to make a lower low now. Not bad. Oh God, I like this. How many pips on majors?
I don't trust it.
84 pips so far.
The 4 hour closed bearish, but didn't close below the previous low.
AJ, what do you mean you don't trust it?
I don't trust the cells.
So I shouldn't take sells right here?
Here?
Why would you sell the low?
Give me a heart attack after this, Michelle.
You want to get beat. You want to get beat up, right? Like
Here?
you're asking for it, right? I just made 32K on my demo account.
Demo.
Yeah, demo all day, every day. What you talking about?
He's practicing.
Demo's where it's at.
That would be so funny if somebody flexed their demo account, like on an Instagram.
I'll flex my demo account, but I'll say it's a demo account.
Yo, I made 2 million today. What did you make?
I wish. I made a wish.
Like what's that guy? What's his name? Anthony's World, whatever his name. What's his
Yeah.
name?
Yeah.
Like he does like fucking 100 lots like 5-6 times.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, these buys are working. Come on now. 3 pips. I got an entry at 45.
AJ, I know what you're saying, that it is not making a lower low, but it is also not making a higher high.
I'm just fucking scalping the shit out of this today. I'm liking this.
Yeah.
I'm selling,
You're in a
buying,
mood.
selling, buying. I'm buying and selling, buying and selling. I sold, I made money. I bought and made some money. I sold again, made some money. Now I'm buying, making
That was
some money.
me the other day. I was fucking buying and selling.
Yeah, that's like,
I
bitch,
was selling Sasha going crazy. They're like, what? Why are you?
Exactly. What's doing? It's like, what's happening? Okay. So these are a few screenshots. Those are coming your way.
30 minutes gonna close.
Oh, this is
5 minutes.
30 minutes.
It's looking like it's closing like a doji candle. I want it to close like a doji bullish candle. If it does that, like I'll be good. These buys will be really nice. Previous 5 minute engulf the 5 minute candle.
Okay. AJ, check your WhatsApp.
I didn't trade for 5 months after blowing it all the way in a few weeks.
Yeah, check out the screenshots and check out the lot size. It's not a dollar, standard dollar.
Damn.
Been there, done that, blown it all away.
Look at you.
I was crazier than you, and then I didn't touch it for 5 months. I was like, oh, I'm not doing nothing with this. I don't know, this is crazy.
But imagine you do this now with what you know.
Well, now when I know when I'm not risking 500.
Yeah, that was. I mean, I guess
This used to give me the adrenaline rush, you know. Mitch, imagine when the 9 o'clock candle, or if there is news or something, and I did not even know news calendar or anything about trading. And I'm there, I know the market is open, and I go there and I just drop 100 lot. It just moves up quickly or down, and I quickly secure whatever it gives me, and I just run out and then do it again. And when it changes the direction, so whatever I made, like 500, 600, 1,000, when it changes direction, because I had no idea, it would start retracing, and now I'm going in 5,000, 6,000. I'm like, I didn't make it that much. Why is it coming and doing this? I had no idea about retracement or anything. So crazy. And it was a real account and full leverage. I did not even know what was leverage.
Oh shit.
I tell myself and everybody else, you should not have money when you don't know how to trade. Because you start and go with a big account and you just blow it all.
Yeah. Oh, don't close those sites.
No, it's just a little going on.
You did, you bastard. Right?
This is either gonna have a free fall right now, or it's gonna go up.
Only till 1780. Yeah, 79. Oh, it's 30 minutes each Monday. In Asian Open, just better there. Michelle, you there?
Yes, I'm half asleep. I'm about to go to bed. I had to take a loss. Wah, wah, wah.
That's okay. You'll make it back. Don't revenge trade. And check your WhatsApp.
Yeah. I'm just sit here and go, I know when I go to sleep, it's going to go right back up. That's what it does.
But you're out of the position. Doesn't matter where it goes now, yeah?
I know, but yeah. I know. But I have a theory. You want to hear my theory?
Why are you laughing at
Because it's gonna keep her while she wants to stay up and keep trading. And
I can't. I physically cannot stay up, but here's my theory. If I take a loss, as long as I re-enter at a better position before I took the loss and catch it back up, then I've improved my position and it's all Gucci. But if I take a loss and then I move on, like go to bed, whatever, and then it goes right back up, well, then I didn't get to recapitalize on that position. So that's the hard part for me now, is that I'm like, I want to see where the bottom is and I want to catch some of the up movement. But like AJ said, it could just keep falling.
Yeah, this is either gonna fall now or it's gonna go up.
And I don't see anything stopping it from falling. I mean, it might actually turn right here. I mean, there's structure right there to the left. The question is how fast does it go back up? Because I have to go to bed. So I'm okay. Oh my gosh, look. Gold.
Asian low volume time.
What are you doing to me, gold?
But why did you take buys, by the way? What was your confluence?
Actually I was in profit. I just didn't take my profit.
No. Tell me, why did you take buy?
Because there were 2 5-minute candles. One was engulfing. The next one was pretty strong. And it had already moved down 60 pips.
What price level? Or?
Yeah, this thing's gonna go down. It looks like it's going down.
yeah, no, it's about to fall. It's not going
down.
up.
It's going down. It's going down.
The moment I came logged on to the screen, I said
Bless you.
1789.
Oh,
And we're there now.
I'm about to
I
get
should
stopped
start
out anyways.
Like I said, how the structure was playing out,
And
Oh,
sells
okay.
sells were very positive.
no, I didn't get stopped out. I'm still
Which
alive.
one lost? Isn't it gonna go back up?
Huh? I did put a stop loss, but I didn't think I was gonna leave this breaker block or this order block and become a breaker block. I thought I was gonna stay inside this, but I don't want to lose any more money because now I'm like dwindling the profits from the other day. Yeah, it'll be sweet as fuck if this just rises right now. Because I didn't get stopped out yet, so that shit would be sweet as hell. Just takes off.
Which for you, I will sacrifice some more my cell pips. Fine, take that.
If I move the cursor away from it, it won't come near me.
It's watching your cursor.
Oh, there it goes.
Did you get stopped out that time?
No, by the hair of my spreads. This is 41.
At least 1780.0. If you can hold that much. At least, but then it can drop further.
Yeah, I don't wanna.
Right.
I don't wanna. Hold it much longer than this. Cause then there goes my scorpion chair.
Are you serious about the chair, by the way?
Oh, I'm absolutely gonna buy it. Not soon. I gotta figure out a way to get it passed. Cause that would be sweet. I would actually sit here all day with you guys then.
Oh, man.
I would
That's
catch
pretty fun.
London. I'd sleep in this chair. That's the thing. I'll never leave the church.
It's a slow death, unlike NYSE. It's a quick death.
Yeah.
AJ, you're quiet, are you?
No,
What do we think about EU?
I honestly think this is gonna drop.
Hey, good night, everybody.
Good night. Happy birthday.
No,
Thank you.
Mother-in-law, don't leave me.
I have to go to sleep. I'm so tired. All right, I wish you all get pips on the ups and the downs, and even when it goes sideways.
Mother-in-law, did you leave? Mother-in-law.
No, no lift to you.
She left me. Michelle.
She's like, I'm going to sleep.
Michelle.
And I'm dogs.
I was gonna tell her to send me her PayPal. I'm gonna give her a spa day.
Oh.
But she
No,
she left me. But she left me.
Still not falling for it.
No, I would legit give her a spa day. Why not? She deserves it.
Come on, you could do it.
Yeah, looks like a rejection candle on 5 minutes.
You can do it.
This thing is gonna go down, guys. Why don't you guys believe me?
To 1778.5?
Because I'm already in the trade.
1750s.
AJ, just a while back you said you don't believe the sounds.
No, I don't trust it, but I want it to happen because like it hasn't had a pullback this whole week.
Yeah, I
Like
want
all
it to happen.
all these little small little baby gas pullbacks, they're not real pullbacks.
But I want you to trust with that confidence.
Like it's either gonna go up from here, or it's gonna go to 50. Like that's it.
Oh,
And I'm still in sales.
yeah, I'm in Dallas too. If not 50, at least give me 70.
Oh, we coming down on you.
What's Dixie doing?
You're coming down in a day. The 4 hour.
USD dollar is 5 minute bullish, 15 minute
Oh,
bullish.
we gotta look way left.
4 hour bullish, daily bullish, weekly
So
bullish,
this thing should go downtown then.
monthly bullish. USD is
So
bullish,
this should
bullish.
go down. This should go down, guys. If you guys do
Yeah,
it like this, the trading like this with the dollar going up, the
Look around
gold
here.
should go down. You know.
Around this level here, I think you're gonna have a
You know what I
Pushback.
am talking about?
come down a little bit
You
more
know.
Try.
to push
AJ.
back up.
Why you doubt me? I don't understand this.
Do the B thing.
I tell you, it go down. You don't believe me. You don't
me, but
believe. You don't believe me.
no, say Pepsi.
Oh, we about
Dixie.
the Dixie about to come down. We at this high. We at the
Is
highs
it?
from way back from March
Dixie or
30th.
Pepsi?
Pepsi. Biking.
I go to the barber and I cut the hair. I haven't shaved in like a month and a half. I look like a fucking like zombie. Like not even for the Bigfoot. I look like Bigfoot right now.
Why would you do it?
I just did it to annoy my mom. Because she hates it when I grow my beard out and I don't shave, so I did it like just to piss her off, you know? Just to like get on her nerves.
Does she live with you?
No, but I see her like every Friday. So like every Friday she's like, "What is this? You are not my son." I just do it to piss her off. And every week I tell her I'm gonna shave and I don't shave.
Playing with your money. Mitch, there's no news today, right?
Hold on, I gotta go to your today. Yeah, we got the Philly Spread Manufacturer Index, unemployment claims
What?
at 10 a.m. and 8:30. Or yeah, 8:30. 10 a.m.'s yellow candles or yellow folders. And then we get a break with the news Friday.
If you don't, you know, now you know my makeup.
And oh, we got news Monday morning. Flash PMI. We got core durable goods order. On Wednesday, crude oil investors inventories. Wednesday.
Mitch, would you believe this Friday there's no news at all?
Yeah, we get a break this Friday. It's gonna be a slow, non-eventful day.
And it will just keep dropping.
Unemployment claims again Thursday, next Thursday. And then
Give me my TP, guys.
Friday we got revised UOM consumer. The Jackson Hole Symposium. Friday all day.
What's that?
I have no clue. It's on from day 2 is Friday. I don't know. I didn't see it when it started, when day 1 is. But day 2 is Friday. It says all day. And then it's into Saturday.
Do you see how they all the time are squeezing the price and then breaking low?
Yeah. Let's move if that's what you're, because I did the same thing here. Yeah.
You're just gonna trade Asian and then sleep through New York?
Probably. I just want this to go down so I can say I told you so.
To the moon.
To the moon. Mitch, let's have a deal.
What's the deal?
You give me 1770 and then take it to the moon.
I'll take it. This trade will be done before 1770, but I'm cool with 1770 for me to buy in.
Not right now. I don't see that happening straight away, though.
Oh, okay. Because this trade looks like it's going to be stopped out before I do, so.
Yeah. But I think you should hold it if it's too much of a loss because it's just going to go back up.
Well, it's still got profits from the rest of the week, so.
And then you're going to be positive again today later.
So I don't know. I just have to make it up tomorrow during NY.
Oh, yeah. That's my today later.
Yeah. The FOMC guys discuss policy at Jackson Hall Symposium, clues about tampering, interest rates. So a bunch of fucking old guys sit around and discuss how they're gonna fuck shit up. Is what you're telling me? Alright, YouTube. I'm off for the night. I will see you guys either tomorrow in live trading lounge or Sunday, 8:30. Streams will be starting at 8:30.